Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be an unboxing of the Lifetime 44-inch poolside basketball system. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up or a like. So let's get to the video. Let's dive right in. This is the Lifetime 44-inch poolside system. This goes along the side of your swimming pool. You can toss a basketball, make the hoops, and just have a great time out there. Looks like an amazing item. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go, the unboxing. Very nicely packaged. There's your backboard. In fact, I'm going to spin this around so you can get a better look at it. There's your hoop. Here's a bag of parts right there. Another roller. Here's your base. Main pole. That is everything in the box. Get everything out of the plastic. look at it. Alright, there's a look at everything that was in the box. Here's our boxes right there, all emptied out. Check it out. Here's your base, here's your wheels, your instructions, your hoop, all your parts to assemble it with. Awesome backboard, your supports, pole, and there are your empty boxes over there. That is everything in the box. So the retail price on this item is right around $199.99, and you can't really go wrong with Lifetime, hence the name. Hopefully this unboxing video is really helpful for you. Be sure and give me a big thumbs up or a like. Also like and subscribe to my channel. There is a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.